Andrea Anderson from Your Marketing Machines. And today we're going to be talking about step number 4 of the 7 critical success factors of marketing. Firstly, who remembers this movie? Show me the money! Business is all about making money. If you're not making money, you're not a business. Pure and simple. But today I actually want to talk about profit per sale. And the question I want to ask you is, inside your business, are your products and your services actually making you profit? You see, it's very easy for us to actually focus in on that retail dollar value. In other words, what we actually sell our product for. But for you, in the field of marketing, we need to work out how much money do we actually have left after we've paid for everything to do with our business and to do with the cost of goods in our product. So the profit side of things. I'm going to give you a bit of a hypothetical. Let's say, for argument's sake, that you are selling your product for $100 and you've calculated that your profits are 50%, which if they are, I want your business. Because here's what happens, at the end of it, you've actually got $50 left, which is great. So let's recap that a little bit. Profit is the money you have left over once you've paid for everything to do with your business and the delivery of your product. Number 2, you want to calculate that for the number of times that that customer buys from you and over what period of time. Why? We want to show you the money. So reach out to us if you'd like more information on www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au so one of our consultants can be in contact with you.